If you have had trouble logging into Telegram and it suddenly asks you to pay for an SMS verification code, don't stress. A lot of videos here on YouTube say clear cache, reinstall the app, or adjust some settings, but honestly, those don't really work anymore. The best way to fix this is by using an existing session. If you're logged in on another device like Telegram desktop, a laptop, tablet, or another phone, Telegram will send the code there instead of via SMS, bypassing the fee. But what if you're not logged in on an existing device? Sadly, there's no real workaround. You'll either need to regain access to an old session or wait it out, because Telegram now prioritizes in app verification over SMS. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.